Okay, you guys, we fixed the problem. We threw out the straw because it was defective. It's one of those like earth-friendly straws, that's why. What's the solution to that? Plastic straws? Now you have paper straws that are just fucking terrible. They get all soggy and shit. They're nasty. You could just train humans how to drink out of a cup like I'm doing. It's really not that hard. I mean, I will admit sometimes I spill it over myself. I need to be careful so I don't spill it on this keyboard. Dude, I spilled fucking milk into my laptop. It was oat milk. I don't know if that matters, but it changes everything. It was oat milk. You know that saying, the devil's in the details? That's why women are obsessed with details. Because they want to obsess about every little thing, and it just doesn't make them happy when they do that. It's like the simpler your life is, the better. That's why women are so much happier when they have to, like, you know, tend to the farm, take care of the children. I just see a woman, like, washing all of her clothes outside, putting them. Are you still there? Maybe, maybe not. I think it fucked up, baby. Why? What's going on? Things fucked up. Let's stop it. Let's see what happens.